From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, Rose Idibia, the mother of veteran singer Innocent Idibia, popularly known as Two-Face or Two-Baba, has raised the alarm that Nigerians should help her beg Edo State Lawmaker Natasha Osawuru to leave her son. She made the appeal in a video that went viral on Thursday evening. According to Mrs. Idibia, Two-Face is presently not in his right frame of mind due to the divorce proceedings with his estranged wife, Annie Idibia. She said,
"Good evening, Nigerians. My name is Mrs. Rose Idibia. This message is for Miss Natasha Osawuru of Edo State. I'm calling on all mothers in Nigeria to help me beg her to release or to free my son. My son is going through a divorce process and he's clearly not in his right senses now. I know my son. This is not him. Please, Natasha, the bead you put on his hand and on his neck, remove them and free him."
NaijaNews reported a viral video on Thursday that captured the moment Two-Face proposed to Osawuru. In the video, the singer and the lawmaker were seen dancing together in the admiration of some of their friends. Two-Face later proceeded to present Osawuru a ring, after which they were locked in a long embrace. This comes just a day after the musician publicly confirmed his romantic relationship with Osawuru, setting social media abuzz. We will continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.